Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add any shape in CapCut PC using a simple trick. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and search for the shape you need, like a circle, arrow, square, or star. Look for an image with a transparent background. PNG format works best. Step 2. Once you find the shape you like, right-click it and select Save Image As to download it. Step 3. Launch CapCut and open your project or start a new one. Step 4. In CapCut, go to the left panel and click Upload. Select the shape image you saved and import it into your project. Step 5. Click on the image in your timeline, go to the Smart Tools panel on the right, then select Remove Background. CapCut will automatically remove the background so your shape looks clean. Step 6. You can now resize, reposition, and adjust the shape's color or opacity using the right side controls. Bonus tip: animate your shape using keyframes or combine it with text and effects for more engaging edits. And that's how you add and customize shapes in CapCut PC using the Smart Background Remover. Like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more editing shortcuts. See you next time!